I created this Facebook ad for this Shopify store, and it made $136,518. In this video, I'll give you the 10-step process that made it happen. Now, you hear people say Facebook ads don't work or Facebook ads are dead, but that's fake news.
You are fake news.
As you can see, this one Facebook ad right here generated $136,518, as I said. And people ask a lot about a Facebook ad strategy that works. So clearly, Facebook ads still work. And as you can see, the data shows here are actually still growing. But as I've said before, any technology will fail you if you fail to use it properly. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you a 10-step process that has been proven to be highly effective. So hit that thumbs up button if that sounds good to you, or give it a flick or a lick. Jackhammer that shit if that's your style. Whatever is your preferred style of like button clicking. If you like what I'm talking about, click the like button. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Bren. I make videos about money-making Facebook ads and things like that. So if that's what you're into, click that subscribe button to see more videos from me in the future. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's dive in. Now imagine you are sitting in a spaceship, about to go to space, and then just smashing your fists and pushing all the buttons, hoping that something's gonna happen. This is how a lot of people use Facebook ads. And I get it. There's a lot of options and it can be frustrating or overwhelming. I've seen this happen from 10 years ago when I started all the way up till now. The sophistication and complication of Facebook ads is now more complicated than ever. But the good news is that I'm going to make it simple for you by giving you a strategic step-by-step process you can use and then walking you through how to do it. And this is the same process that I used to create that one Facebook ad that generated $136,518. And it's just 10 steps. And before we get to step one, know this. To get your Facebook ads working and making money consistently, straight up, you need a process. And here are the 10 steps to follow. Step 1, identify the correct audience. Step 2, use the proper objective. Step 3, start your ad with scroll stopping strategy. That is a lot of S's, scroll stopping strategy. Step 4, get a compelling product demonstration. Step 5, have the influencer show how the product works. Step 6, identify the main benefit. Step 7, boost average order value. Step 8, add testimonials. Step 9, write compelling ad copy. And step 10, use the impact interest strategy. Start with step 1, identify the correct audience. Now what you see on the screen here is what I call the golden triangle, and it illustrates the relationship between the 3 most important things you need to get right for all this to work. It all starts with a great product. And what defines a great product? For the most part, it's a product that people want to buy. You want a great product, combine that with the right ad and the right audience. Those 3 combined together, that's how you win. And if we have time later on, I'll get into more strategy around ad audiences. But for now, let's start with the ad itself. You need to get clear on all 3 before you dive in. The product we're working with is a mouth care product, which is perfect for Facebook ads because mouth care is something that everybody has to do every day, which means big rewards if you can get the ad right and big potential for scaling up. Step 2 is to use the proper objective. A lot of people recommend starting with using the engagement objective, but I don't find that effective. I really don't see the point of spending money on engagement to start with if what you actually want are conversions and there's an objective for conversions. So by using the proper objective, I mean don't start with engagement ads, start with the objective conversions. Very simply because that's exactly what you want. What's important about this is that your objective defines who Facebook shows your ads to. And if you get to choose between your ads showing to people that just like to engage or showing your ads to people that like to actually buy, you should choose showing your ads to people that actually like to buy. This is exactly what we did with this ad and is part of what made it so highly successful. So it's what I recommend you do here. And step 3 is start your ad with a scroll stopping strategy. When I was creating this ad, I knew I needed a way to stop the scroll. With the insane amount of ads in the news feed today, you need a way to stop the scroll. I mean, let's actually have a look and count these out, okay? So let's hop into the news feed and check it out. Just scroll in the newsfeed. Ad. Okay, you get it. You need a way to stop the scroll. And there are 3 ways to do this. The 3 effective scroll stopping strategies are number 1, fast motion, something like this. Number 2, weird visuals, something like this. Or what I did, which is number 3, what I call a pause-causing question. A pause-causing question is a question that gives you pause, something that makes you go, what? Huh? Tell me more. To come up with the pause-causing question, you just consider the product and consider what it does. This is what I did. Considered the product, considered what it does, and then it came to me. Does your toothpaste do more harm than good? And it turns out there are a lot of people that are worried about things in their toothpaste that might be harmful to their health. And those are the perfect people that we want to reach. This question is designed to make those people stop. And it did exactly that. So for you, consider your product, what it does, and then craft your pause-causing question. Then to execute this, I just recorded my voice, added a simple text animation. You can see it here, it's super simple.
Is your toothpaste doing more harm than good?
And that's how you effectively stop the scroll. And by the way, notice how I avoided any violation of Facebook ad policy with this. The key is to draw attention to the problem without sensationalizing it. So you'll craft your pause-causing question and you'll take it and start your ad with that. Now I have a whole nother video all about how to avoid ad policy issues, and I'll put the link in the description if that's something that you want to check out. Step 4. And step 4 is to get a compelling product demonstration video, preferably from an influencer. Ideally, you already have a product demonstration video to use. If not, you'll have to make one or get one. In this case, we got one from an influencer on YouTube that absolutely loves making product demonstration videos. In a lot of different niches, there are people that are really passionate about making product demonstration videos and just love doing that. So ideally, you find one of those and get them to do a product demonstration video for you. This can save you tons of time and money. And for this, just search on YouTube to find one. Next up, step 5. Step 5 is have the influencer show how the product works. What I usually see when people get influencers to promote their product is to just have that influencer talk about how great the product is. But what you'll do here will be different. Instead, what you can do to stand out, which is key, is to have that influencer actually show how the product works step by step. Next up, step 6. Step 6 is to identify the main benefit. In the case of this ad I'm showing you, the key benefit was what's called the remineralization process. Say that 5 times fast. Remineralization process, which is a way of getting teeth whiter naturally. Yeah, that's definitely very compelling. Now, your job is to find the key benefit that your product has to offer, and then take that benefit and put it in your ad right up front within the first 20 seconds. Step 7 is to boost your average order value. This is where you'll get a little bit smart and make a step 2 that is actually an add-on to your first primary product. With the example, it's a copper tooth scraper.
Step 2 is to follow up with the antimicrobial copper tongue scraper. Now this might look scary at first, but let me tell you, it will take your fresh breath to the next level.
You want something like this that perfectly complements the main product that you're selling. And know that to be able to scale, you need to boost your AOV, because your AOV, or your average order value, which is just how much people spend from you on average when they order, needs to be higher than your CPP, which is your cost per purchase. Adding a step 2 into your ad that is an add-on to your product will boost your AOV and make it easier for you to scale bigger and faster. Step 8. Step 8 is to add testimonials. Testimonials are key and something you want to include because testimonials inspire trust. Before people buy, they want to know, can I trust this? Is it good? How can I know I'll be happy with my purchase? And all of those questions, if not answered, stop trust from happening. But testimonials answer those questions. So what you'll do is use testimonials are absolutely the best way of clearing out those obstacles, answering the questions, and creating trust. So get your videos of happy customers and add those into your ad. And if you don't have those, you can just take quotes from positive reviews and put text on screen and use those instead. Step 9. Step 9 is write compelling ad copy. In this case, your ad copy is like your ad to get people to watch your video. And just like the thumbnail on a YouTube video, it really matters because if people click and watch the video, you win. But if people don't even click and watch the video, you lose. So here, you want to craft compelling ad copy. In this process, you'll take the main benefit that you already determined and you'll write the ad copy around that. You'll notice that most people in the e-commerce world don't really pay attention to ad copy, and from what I can tell, don't think it matters that much. But to be able to generate 6 figures from one ad like we did in this example, you'll need good ad copy that's compelling and gets people to click. Now, if you don't want to have to learn this yourself and you just want it done for you, you can actually use my team of awesome Facebook ad copywriters and they'll actually write your ads for you. just click the link in the description below to check out more information. Your other option is to write your ad copy yourself. And unfortunately, I don't have time to get into more detail on how to write compelling ad copy for you in this video, but if that's something you want more of, leave me a comment in the comment box below, and if there's enough interest, I'll make a video on that in the future. Step 10. Step 10 is to use my impact interest strategy. Impact interest strategy uses a stack of interests all combined together. Let's have a look. As you can see here, these are all the interests we use. But with this strategy, do you just throw all these interests in here? No. To get these, first we have to follow a testing protocol by taking all of these interests that you see here and then 10 to 20 other interests, and then testing those one interest per ad set. So that's the testing protocol. And then after testing all those interests, then we only use the ones that actually generated purchases, and we put all those combined together into one super audience, which we call the impact audience. All right, now let's review the 10 steps. I'll look at my notes here. I showed you how to identify the correct audience, step 1. I showed you step 2, use the proper objective. Step 3, I showed you how to start the ad with the scroll stopping strategy. Remember the 3 scroll stopping strategies. I showed you step 4, get a compelling product demonstration, ideally from an influencer. Then we went to step 5, have influencers show how the product works. Then we went to step 6, identify the main benefit. Step 7, boost average order value. That was at step 2, if you remember. And then step 8, add testimonials, very important, inspire that trust. Step 9, write compelling ad copy or use my people to do it for you. Link in the description box below. And then step 10, use my impact interest strategy. And that's the 10-step process that made it possible for this one Facebook ad to generate 6 figures in revenue. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new here and this is your first video with me, consider subscribing so I can make more videos like this to help you out in the future. And if you liked this video, I think you might love my program, Ad Evolution. In the program, I share with you some of my best strategies and tactics from 10 years of creating money-making Facebook ads. And all of that after investing multiple 7 figures in research and development. When you join Ad Evolution, I take you by the hand and I walk you step by step through my 5-step process so that you can create your own money-making Facebook ads for yourself consistently. Check the link in the description box below to see if Ad Evolution is right for you. And next up, I've got 2 more videos for you. I'll link those up right here. And if you're not subscribed yet, you can do that by clicking the button in the middle.